I will teach you this strategy on Ethereum chart and the 5-minute time frame, but you can use this strategy in all markets. For the first indicator of this trading setup, we will need the half trend indicator. To make the necessary adjustments, we refer to the settings of this indicator, and in the Inputs tab, change the amplitude value to 18. And then disable all options except for arrow up and arrow down in the style section. Then set the arrow up to below the bar and arrow down to above the bar. Alright then, now when a blue arrow appears under the candle, it means buy signal. And also when a red arrow appears above the candlestick, this means a sell signal. Now let's examine some examples together. As you can see, we could gain 96% profit from only 4 trades. But I stay tuned in the video to make this strategy even more accurate and profitable. But before that, if you want to use our trading signals to earn profit in the financial markets, you can become a member of our Telegram channel, the link of which I've placed below this video. Now to add the second indicator, search Donchian channel improved and add this indicator to the chart. Now in the settings, leave the length value as 21. Next, we will only need the HO and LO option. We should change the HO to green and LO to red. The Donchian channel indicator consists of 2 lines, a green and a red line. In order to confirm the buy signal which is issued by the first indicator, the signal candle should close above the green line. And also, in order to confirm the sell signal issued by the first indicator, the signal candle should close below the red line. In this example, cause the trigger candlestick is located between the 2 lines of the Donchian channel indicator. As a result, the signal is not confirmed. But the next signal is a valid buy signal because the candle has closed above the green line. And the next buy signal is not confirmed because it is closed below the green line. But now let's go ahead and add the last indicator to the strategy. But before that, if this video was useful so far, it could be great if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel to see the future videos. Alright then, in the indicators section, search for MACD and add the moving average convergence divergence indicator to the chart. Now in order to optimize the MACD indicator for our setup, change the value of fast length to 150. And change the value of a slow length to 288. Next, in the Style tab, we need the histogram and zero line options. Then change the color 0 to green and color 3 to red. Now, in order to be able to enter a buy trade, these conditions must be met in the chart. First, a blue arrow should appear under the candle. Second, the candle should close us above the green line. And third, the MACD histogram should be green. Now we can enter a long trade at the close of the trigger candlestick. And now place the stop loss of the long trade below the red line. And consider the long trade target 2 times greater than the stop loss value. And in order to trade shorts, these conditions must also exist in the market. First, a red arrow should appear above the candle. And second, the candle should close below the red line. And for the third condition, the MACD histogram should be red. Now we can enter into a short trade at the close price of the trigger candlestick. Place the stop loss of the short trade above the green line. And consider the buy target 2 times greater than the stop loss value. Check out this example, and this signal, because the MACD histogram was not green, the buy signal was not correctly confirmed. But the next sell signal issued in the live market is correctly confirmed by the MACD indicator. But if you want to learn the best strategy of the channel, check out this video right here.